I'm here at Mount Panorama to show you that I can bring a factory to Australia that builds houses quicker than you can drive around the track.
Take a look at this. It's a brand new estate, no homes. It's been here for 12 months, and for obvious reasons, cost of living, cost of building, cost of the land itself, and interest rates. People can't afford to build on these homes. I've been a builder for 20 years, and I've never seen anything happen like this.
Yet we've got kids, women, families living on the street in a rent cycle when we could have homes on this estate. Let's do innovative manufacturing on Australian shores and have this built within a year. 300 homes a year, out of the factory, on site, built by unskilled labour. Australia is set to fall 300,000 homes short of its target of 1.2 million by 2029. Housing is at the forefront of the election campaign. It is what will solve a lot of Australian problems. Social wellbeing, domestic violence, children's safety, less taxpayers' money getting wasted, housing crisis, housing prices, young kids coming into the construction industry, not through a 4-year degree, but through AI-driven training on each step of the build. No university or lengthy TAFE courses. Australia's skill shortage, utilising unskilled labour, energy-efficient homes, daycare centres off the factory, bringing more women into the industry, manufacturing on Australian shores, housing in rural communities, more jobs, keeping money on Australia's shores, not sending it overseas. Need I say any more? Let's be innovative, bold, leave a legacy, solve Australia's housing crisis together.